Hello guys, today I'm here at a shop. It's they're barbecuing fish. See, they're barbecuing fish now. They're not putting anything. They are just frying out on koila,
charcoal.
coal, and they can use that one over and over and again. And so guys, you see that here they have made chicken. They have made chicken and it looks good enough. And they have also made this thing.
Loud.
Here is only legs and here is only body of the there. Here are also some big piece of legs, and you can see that here are smaller, here are bigger, here are only meat. And look that he is frying the fish. It looks so good, and he's such a big fish. What's the fish name?
Coral. Sea coral.
I see.
The big one. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
He's frying it and they have a shop over here. They're frying lots of things. So it's so nice. So come and see inside. Here they also fry crabs and they sell them to the people. See, they bought the crabs. Per piece is 200 taka. And
It's a giant one, big one.
and they're giant one, but we had smaller ones which are 40 taka per
That is small.
That is small, and because they just went to because the shop is here and the river is over, the sea is over here. They place the trap and come, and whose trap they plan? They take it and there's lots of crabs.
That was
Small crabs.
2
They
years
don't
back.
catch. That they don't catch, but now it's 2 years more. Maybe per plate is 100
Or maybe more.
or maybe more. Who knows? And see, he is making a type of roti that is called rumal roti. And we also took some food of him, and it was so tasty. He gave a sauce that I like the most. And he also set some light over here. Here are some chairs, and they make it all over here. They don't go and bring outside. They just only bring the meat and the fish, and they brought the tools, and they just fried on their own. And see how beautiful the nature is. The shop. You can see that. You can see that the shop is made of tin. But what they make is very tasty. If anybody eats, they will love to eat a lot. It's so tasty. Come and see the chairs.
আঙ্কেলদের ডিস্টার্ব করা যাবে না, ওই পাশে যাও। যাও।
Over here, you can see that they made another place over here, a room. They put lots of tables and chairs here. So some may sit over there and some sit over here. But if you sit over here, you can enjoy the food and also enjoy the fresh nature. It's so good. And you see that they decorate with the shops with green light, yellow light, and pink light, and white light, and they made it so it looked beautiful. So customer can attract it. And it is so beautiful. I cannot stop just eating those food. It's so amazing, guys. You should come to this place. This is Badutala Bridge. This shop is newly made, and the food is tasty. I'm thinking how will it be, how it will be to taste that yummy crab when they fry it, because whatever their hands goes in of those type of barbecue, it's so tasty. I cannot believe. And they also sometimes they know us, and sometimes they give a little low price, and they love our food. We love their food a lot. You cannot know that how beautiful will it be. You just come here. It's in Gazipur. Wherever you are, if you are in Gazipur, then you should one time
Pubail Thana.
You should always Pubail Thana is this. Then you'll go and you'll see a shop. There are several shops.
Shops.
Look over there. There's a food shop,
Hmm.
and here's a fast food shop, and that's a fast food shop. Beside that, and beside that, there's another shop. There are lots of shops, and you'll just walk, and you'll see. If you want to taste other things, fast food, you can just go to them shop and you can also taste. But if you come here, it will be very good because see how did they make the
ওখানে যে সবাইকে ইনভাইট করে এখানে আসতে, এই দোকানে আসতে। হ্যাঁ,
and
আমরা 2 দিন নিয়েছি, অনেক সুন্দর ছিল।
we took 2 days and it was so yummy.
Go.
And guys, you should come here and eat their food. See how he makes them. You want to see? He takes it up with his hand. I don't know if it feels hot or not.
It's tasty, so everybody is invited here, right?
So everybody's invited here at this time. The food is so tasty. I think his hand is made of nothing. His hand is so. Maybe he does not feel the hot air. So see how thin is the. It is called rumal roti.
রুমালি রুটি।
Rumal roti. They call it. See, he just put it in, and it became hot.
Master
See,
rice this
because
cool, right?
it's so thin. It makes your hands
So,
so gracefully.
I invite everybody to come here.
So I invite all of you to come here and taste their food. So this is all for today. Like and subscribe
Bye.
to Milton's World. Bye. See you in the next channel.